Hello, and welcome to the Good Finance Outcomes Matrix tool developed in partnership with Big Society Capital and with lots of input from all of you, our lovely users. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Outcomes Matrix. This is a practical tool to help organisations plan and measure their social impact. Let's get started. The Outcomes Matrix will take you on a journey as you follow the steps from start to finish. You can select the outcomes and indicators that are relevant to your organisation and add additional detail when you wish. You can move back and forth between the steps, saving and adding information when you need to. At the end of the tool, you will be able to download your answers in Excel format. You will also see helpful prompts on the screen that break down buzzwords or jargon. Step 1. The area you work in. What impact do you contribute to? There are 9 outcome areas the tool explores. You can browse and select the relevant outcome areas for your organisation in order to build your own unique outcomes matrix. You can select multiple outcome areas if your work covers more than one. Outcomes are statements of change that you're trying to contribute to for your service users. Step 2. Choose your outcomes and indicators. Once you have selected your outcome areas, you can add specific outcomes and indicators. This allows you to further customize and capture the impact of your organisation. Indicators are data points which help you to evidence actual changes in outcomes achieved. Step 3. Who will this impact? When considering service users, the tool allows you to consider 4 lenses: people at high risk of harm, disadvantage and discrimination, protected characteristics, socio-economic groups, and geography. This approach is intersectional, which means it considers how people may experience a combination of multiple forms of discrimination or disadvantage. Keep that in mind when using this tool. This also allows you to explore how this may affect their ability to access your product or service and achieve the intended outcomes. You can add additional information about your service users using the text boxes. Step 4 and 5, review, edit and download. Once you have added information on your service or product users, you can move on to the final 2 steps that allow you to review and edit the information you have added. If you want to add or change information, you can move back and forth between the steps to do so. Finally, you can download your responses as an Excel file.